Hey, today I'm going to show you how to clean the air filter on a lawnmower. On this particular Briggs model, if you, in front of it, you look towards your left, and this compartment right here is where your air filter is located. All you'll need is a screwdriver. Going to remove this screw right here. Go ahead and remove the casing. This is your air filter. Simply just remove it. Now, what I'm going to use today to clean this out is air from an air compressor. If you don't have an air compressor, you could use a shot vac by reversing the hose, or even vacuuming by just putting on a small attachment. This particular filter is not very bad, so what I'm going to do is just pound it down on the concrete a little bit. Use the air. Clean out the housing. Now, if this air filter was really dirty, I would probably go ahead and just replace it. You can tell when the lawnmower is struggling if the air filter is really bad. The lawnmower will produce a lot of smoke. It'll idle very rough. It's very simple to replace these. As you can see, the same thing is cleaning. Once you have it removed, take it to your local hardware store so you can match it, and just put it back in the same way you got it out. Replace your housing cover. Screw it back on. You don't want to go too tight, just get it nice and snug on there, and you're ready to go.